Sigma New Factory. Presents Mercedes Celi.
So, we present to your attention the new Mercedes SLE Coupe model, the E-Class size of the next model year. Mercedes SLE has its own platform, but the engines and units are from the E-Class itself. Of course, in this series there is a whole range of possible modifications of hybrids and all-electric modifications. Basic modifications start with engines, 2.2-litre diesel and 2.0 turbo petrol. But the main one, as follows from the information presented, will be the 3-litre gasoline engine known from the E-Class with various pressurization and compressor systems. Well, we can only wait for this new model in dealer showrooms and on the roads.